Hey guys, welcome back to Vibing with Kimmy Bling. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video, mini Shein All Work Edition. So let's get into it. What did I say? So here we got a mini skirts. Next, this blue. These are working shirts. It's in a size 6. So for all your simple work outfits, it's very affordable and cheap. This is another size 6, different style. And these are very lightweight and comfortable. This is cute. This is cute. Look at the details on the neck. And this is a size 6. One, 2, 3 to go. This is another work skirt. This is in navy blue. This is another top, size 6. This is red. Cute. So that's the end of it all, guys. So we got 1 shirt, 2 shirts, 3 shirts, 4. 5. So got 5 tops and 2 bottoms. We can always alternate with the bottoms and tops. There's no brown, don't wear anything. Blue, wear anything. The details though. This is cute. This is nice. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.